start with impact. 30 days ago, I was drowning in a sea of tasks, working 14-hour days just to stay afloat. Today, I'm completing more meaningful work in 4 hours than I used to accomplish in an entire week. The difference. I stopped fighting artificial intelligence and started partnering with it. What I'm about to share isn't just another productivity hack. It's a complete transformation of how we approach work in the AI era. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to revolutionize your own productivity using tools that are already available to you right now. The breaking point. Let me paint you a picture of my life just 1 month ago. I was a content creator, consultant, and small business owner trying to juggle everything myself. My typical day started at 6 a.m. with emails, followed by client calls, content creation, social media management, research, writing proposals, and administrative tasks that seemed to multiply like rabbits. I was the classic example of being busy but not productive. The breaking point came when I realized I was spending more time managing my work than actually doing the work that mattered. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Most professionals today are caught in this same trap, believing that working harder is the solution when the real answer is working smarter. The AI partnership mindset. Here's the first crucial shift I made. I stopped viewing AI as a tool and started treating it as a collaborator. This isn't about replacing human creativity or intelligence. It's about amplifying what you're already capable of achieving. Think of AI as having an incredibly skilled assistant who never sleeps, never gets tired, and can process information at superhuman speeds. But like any great partnership, success depends on how well you communicate and delegate. The key is understanding what AI excels at and what humans excel at. AI is phenomenal at processing large amounts of information, generating initial drafts, analyzing patterns, and handling repetitive tasks. Humans excel at strategic thinking, creative problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and making nuanced decisions. Week 1. The foundation. My first week was all about identifying the time-consuming tasks that were draining my energy. I tracked everything for 3 days and categorized my activities into 3 buckets. Tasks that required my unique human input, tasks that could be delegated to AI, and hybrid tasks that could benefit from AI assistance. The results were eye-opening. 60% of my time was spent on tasks that AI could either handle completely or significantly accelerate. Email management, research, first drafts of content, data analysis, scheduling, and basic administrative work were consuming the majority of my day. I started with email management using AI writing assistants. Instead of crafting every email from scratch, I'd provide key points and let AI generate professional responses. What used to take me 2 hours each morning was reduced to 20 minutes. Next week. 2. Advanced automation. The second week was about implementing more sophisticated AI work. I discovered that the real power comes from chaining AI tools together and creating systems that work seamlessly. I set up automated research workflows where AI would monitor specific topics, compile relevant information, and present daily summaries. Instead of spending hours browsing industry news and research papers, I received curated, actionable insights every morning. For client work, I created AI-powered templates for proposals, project timelines, and deliverables. The AI would customize these based on client-specific information, reducing proposal creation time from 4 hours to 30 minutes. Week 3. Creative collaboration. Week 3 was where things got really exciting. I started using AI as a creative partner, not just an efficiency tool. For brainstorming sessions, I'd present challenges to AI and receive dozens of unique perspectives and solutions I never would have considered. When writing, I'd use AI to help me explore different angles, overcome writer's block, and refine my arguments. The AI became my thought partner, helping me think through complex problems and identify blind spots in my reasoning. For video content, AI helped with script writing, thumbnail creation, and even editing suggestions. I'd describe my vision, and AI would help me structure the content for maximum impact and engagement. Week 4. Mastery and Optimization. The final week was about fine-tuning and optimizing my AI-powered workflows. I learned to write better prompts, customize AI outputs to match my voice and style, and create feedback loops that improved the system over time. I developed a personal AI assistant that knew my preferences, understood my business context, and could anticipate my needs. This wasn't about using generic AI tools. It was about creating a personalized system that worked specifically for me. The results were remarkable. Tasks that used to take hours were completed in minutes. My output quality improved because I could focus on refinement rather than creation from scratch. Most importantly, I reclaimed my time for strategic thinking and high-value activities. The transformation results. Let me share the concrete results from this 30-day experiment. My content production increased by 300% while maintaining higher quality standards. Client deliverables that previously took days were completed in hours. Administrative tasks that consumed entire afternoons were handled in minutes. But the quantitative improvements tell only part of the story. The qualitative changes were even more significant. I felt more creative, more strategic, and more energized. The mental fog that comes from constant task switching disappeared. I was working on my business instead of just in it. My stress levels dropped dramatically. When you're not constantly worried about keeping up with an endless task list, you can focus on the work that truly matters. I started taking on more challenging projects, because I knew I had the capacity to deliver excellence. The strategic framework, based on this experience, I've developed a framework that anyone can use to achieve similar results. First, audit your current workflows and identify AI opportunities. Look for repetitive tasks, information processing, and creative starting points. Second, start small and build momentum. Don't try to revolutionize everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 high-impact areas and master them before expanding. Third, maintain human oversight and add your unique value. AI should amplify your capabilities, not replace your judgment. Always review, refine, and personalize AI outputs. Fourth, invest time in learning prompt engineering and AI communication. The quality of your AI collaboration depends entirely on how well you can communicate your needs and expectations. Finally, create feedback loops and continuously optimize. Your AI systems should improve over time as you refine your approach and discover new possibilities. The future of work. This transformation isn't just about personal productivity. It's about adapting to the future of work. AI is becoming ubiquitous, and professionals who learn to collaborate effectively with AI will have significant advantages over those who resist this change. The goal isn't to become dependent on AI, but to become skilled at human-AI collaboration. This means developing new competencies: prompt engineering, AI workflow design, and strategic thinking about when and how to leverage artificial intelligence. Your next steps. If you're ready to begin your own AI productivity transformation, start with one simple experiment this week. Choose a repetitive task that consumes significant time and explore how AI might help you complete it faster or better. Remember, this isn't about finding the perfect AI tool. It's about changing how you approach work. The most powerful AI applications often come from combining multiple tools in creative ways that solve your specific challenges. The productivity gains I've experienced are available to anyone willing to invest the time to learn and experiment. In 30 days, you could be looking at your own transformation story. Final thoughts. The relationship between humans and AI is still evolving, and we're all pioneers in this new landscape. What excites me most is that we're not just becoming more efficient, we're becoming more human. When AI handles the routine work, we're free to focus on creativity, strategy, and meaningful connections. The future belongs to those who can effectively collaborate with AI while maintaining their unique human value. Start your journey today, and in 30 days, you might be amazed at what you've accomplished. If this resonates with you, and you want more insights on leveraging AI for productivity and business growth, make sure to like this video and subscribe to KB Bluetree for more insightful content. I'll be sharing more specific strategies, tool recommendations, and real-world case studies to help you navigate this exciting new world of human-AI collaboration.